Hi, this is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech, where this grandpa shares tech information, tech reviews, and tech solutions. Today, ORICO has sent me a travel power strip to review. So get excited, sit down, relax. We're going to review that and take a look at it. One of the problems with power strips is they are too large. They take up too much room in your suitcase, bag, and they just are cumbersome. But ORICO has solved that problem, so let's get into that product right now. One of the first things you notice is that it compactly packs away with a stretchy strip here, and the entire cord wraps around the unit. One of the things I like most about this is that it is very compact, and space is a premium when you're traveling in your suitcase, especially when you're traveling on a cruise ship. One of the first things, of course, you notice it has a 3-prong US outlet, 1, 2, 3 USB-A, charging at 2.4 amps max at a voltage of 5 volts. That is fantastic for charging most of the devices that you normally carry with you. But of course, what do you do when you have those devices that you need to charge at 30 amps or greater and you have to put a separate charger? Well, ORICO has decided to put an outlet right here, compactly made, where you can plug that charger right in. That in itself makes it very, very useful and compact. Now, on top of that, they give you a generous 3.7-foot cord. All in all, one of the greatest nice things about this is, of course, is that they made the plug very thin, at 0.39. So it makes it very easy to fit in those tight spaces when you're trying to plug in. The second thing is they made the angle of connection at 45 degrees, making it less likely you're going to have a problem with interference with something else plugged into the other outlet. That and all in all, it makes this a very, very nice unit. Between the ability to just wrap this up and have it fit and not take up much space, makes this a 10 out of 10 travel power strip. And I have to say, I like it. I'm going to be using it for my travels from now on. I recommend it. So I'm leaving you the link where you can find it, and if you decide to purchase it yourself. Anyway, this is Grandpa out. You have a great day, and until next time, don't forget to give us a like, give us a subscribe, and we'll be back to you with more travel tips, more tech tips in the future.